Alright, so this little video is just about the snake that's going to the what will be the light controller. And the idea is that I have 10-pin connector LED, mini LED lights that are dispersed throughout the trailer. And the schematic, of course, I will outline in my briefing about the wiring concept and the whole bit. But basically, there's going to be a wiring panel on this wall right here. I'll show you there, and that wall will control various lights, some of which will be the lights that will be along the top here. And I put those two LED light controller pieces. The white is the LED, so there'll be a remote that will control all the fancy lighting, and then there'll be a panel here that will just control the everyday doing business as usual type of lighting. So the way I have it done basically is I've got it labeled. I know it looks terrible, but it's actually quite effective. This explains where each wire is going, and I can then choose the option of what to do with that wire. Over here I have my controller box, which will disperse power and various other lighting aspects, including audio, throughout the trailer. The white lines are, relatively speaking, your effect LEDs that will be able to be run off of your phone or a remote, which you can have very easily in your pocket and very even easier to lose, whatever. But that's over here I have wiring, and over there I have wiring. But this is the light panel, and the different wires that I'm using for that light panel gives me a lot of options.